There's some weird stops on there.
They did not.
They didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, everything is closed for the season. The boat's all wrapped up. Got a new sign. All closed off. They gave us some hats.
Michael Sandusky.
Look at my hat.
Got a new sign. It says 1870 Point Plaza. Looks awesome in here. Got some skyride carriages over here. No, it's carousel. You're right.
Carousel.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. We're smart.
I never really understood how they don't have room for all the cars.
I don't think they'd appreciate us getting in one, so probably not. The park's just so bare, like tables stacked on top of each other.
Oh, they took out the fountain.
Oh, whoa.
Where?
They literally.
Yeah, the whole fountain's gone.
There's just a whole fountain missing.
I wonder if that's where. Where are they putting Legacy Walk at?
No, Wicked Twister isn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Legacy Walk.
Sinado.
Yeah, this entire fountain's gone. I'm gonna put some bricks in here.
Man, really be right now. They're poor.
Oh, it's so bare. There's nothing. We got Max there. Go smile in front of it, Max. Max's favorite place in the whole park. Dude, Tiki Twirl is the best flat ride in the park.
I've never been. Oh, why?
Dude, you've never been on it? Nope. Oh, we're riding it this year.
Yo,
Oh, I thought you
Wicked
were saying
Twister
right
train.
now. Just right
What?
now.
Wicked Twister train.
That's pretty sweet.
I'm gonna go touch them.
I'm gonna go touch them.
I don't know. I've always just wanted to touch these things.
Don't. I've never heard you call that it once.
Twister.
Really?
I've never heard that
I
once.
always say it, titty twister.
I just want to steal this.
My
car.
dad actually
Like,
called it.
I just want to like take this.
Dude,
It's
the
so
seats are gone.
There's a whole car over here.
This is awesome.
Just steal the whole car.
I have to actually think about it. But it's kind of dirty. Also, I've always wanted to press those buttons on top of it. Oh,
Does it push?
somewhat.
Just breaks the entire road.
You're having fun, Max.
Yes.
I'm glad.
Wicked Twister derails on the first train of the season.
You're like, whoops.
Who did that? Wasn't me. Said Wicked Twister.
Oh, we got Monsters seats in there. Monsters a fun ride. All spinny.
That's definitely the pressure for the.
It's the pressure for the locking
Yeah.
mechanism, probably.
I want to really.
Whoa! 3-4 foot long track.
Dude,
Imagine
okay.
how much the entire coaster weighs.
So imagine, Max, you're a spider, okay? And you're just like chilling at Cedar Point.
That's
Yeah.
your point.
And then you get on this like yellow pipe kind of stuff, and then you just get smashed to pieces. Wait a minute, is it? It's already...
So we just
Dude, it's flat.
How long has that been there?
Honestly, who knows?
Hang on.
That's
Move out of the way.
fresh.
You're covering it. Next.
It's literally. Oh,
I should just get up.
its body separated from its legs. They don't have bugs plaster all over it.
For once. Oreo churros are back.
Yeah, I definitely think
Never.
that
Never have.
shorter shifts would definitely make Valerie better.
Food and beverage receiving warehouse is over there. It's the Cedar Fair headquarters. Has a nice view of Valraven. That'd be perfect. Water tower.
it's opening day, obviously.
Linen Services. Linen Services is a fancy title for laundry. That's basically what we are. Just like your laundry at home, it never stops. This area is the staging area. Here, basically the staging area. Sheets, stage, mirror, towels coming out, being sorted. They come behind this counter. In the morning when you come in, second
Who did I have an argument with?
Hey Dylan,
Yes.
how do you feel that Annie Ann's is right there, but it's not open?
I feel really. Oh, they painted the poles.
Oh yeah, wow.
I'm actually sad though because I love Indians. I
You
get
love
it every
Indians?
single time when I come here.
Whoa.
Yeah, have you been through here yet?
We have not.
Alright guys, so we're going to scary haunted house. Are they gonna scare us? Wow, they're looking pretty tonight.
This is awesome. Oh, rip this person's brain.
So you think about it, everyone talks and then they know.
There's like so much heat right
So warm. Oh, that's why. You guys can go in front of us. Should we jump the fence?
Y'all just want a lunch tray? Basketball, cinder blocks, and why is it just sitting there?
What?
The lunch tray.
Why is there one even out here in the first place?
Ooh,
Why is this
sick.
pathway here if they don't even intend anyone to come down?
Because I about died. I know. I was like, I saw people. I was like, I know.
Thanks, guys.
There you go. Have fun.
Bro, this looks awesome with it taken out.
Dude, I would totally walk in there.
Well, they added ducks to it.
They added ducks to the pond?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow. 2020 is such a great season. They added ducks.
They're really
Wow.
focusing on the wildlife this year.
Yeah, the theming for Maverick is insane.
Where the ostrich
What's that say?
Wait a minute, this isn't Maverick's tunnel.
Oh, we got a little sidetracked here.
Dylan. Dylan.
I hit this thing.
Oh, that's really interesting. Wow!
There's some stuff for Cutthroat Cove.
Oh,
This is awesome.
Nobody. Louis Exit Space Station.
Well, this is okay. Because people are standing here and congregating. So I would have cleaned it today.
This is awesome. Brother
Is it just
Maverick
me, or does this turn after launch a lot more elongated than this?
Yeah, I did not.
It is so whippy on
Also
ride.
lifting up to touch the ring.
This is awesome.
Because Maverick is like the only place to legitimately not eat
This is where we have to stop. There's a launch right there. Launch ends right at that line segment. There's so many washers right here. It's not linen services.
Yes. Are you still taking a video?
He just gave it to me. I was really expecting
Thanks for coming out there.
The best ride in the park. Well, my favorite at least.
Amen to that.
Gemini. We have to get a picture for Gemini.
There's so many rocks in my shoes. I don't know. Rocks? I don't know.
My van before was yours.
How many blue tarps did we go through here?